everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Beck and you're watching Track with Beck. Today I'm just going to be showing you some new products which I've been kindly sent by Oricom. These are just little updates that I'm adding to my Pajero. I actually do have some big updates that I need to show you as well. But yeah, today we're just going to go through what I've been kindly gifted. I'm also going to show you how to install them because they're all extremely easy to install and I can even do it, so that's saying something. So the first item they have sent me is the UHF 360. This UHF radio I believe is one of the best rated in Australia. It actually has all your controls and everything on the remote, so you can hide the actual unit away somewhere. I might look into putting it away in my glove box. I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll have a look. We'll have a little play. I'll come back to that a little bit later. Then they've also given me the battery monitor system, which suits 12 and 24 volt batteries. You can actually monitor your batteries on the Oricom app with this, so it is just a handy little item to have. Then they've also given me a 12 volt battery charger. Now this is just something that you can use to charge your batteries if they're running a little bit low. Yeah, it's also just a handy another little item to have while you're on the road. Hopefully I'll never need it, but it's always good to have one in your setup just in case, because you never know. So we're going to do a little bit of a unboxing now. So let's start with the small one, the 12 volt battery monitor. You just get this bad boy. I'll show you how to install this. It's really easy. I can do it myself, so literally anyone can do it. And the UHF radio. Again, if you're traveling in Australia, I do recommend you have a UHF radio just because it does make everything a lot easier. It's a second type of communication, and also you can get in contact with trucks and caravans and things, and it's safer to overtake. Definitely recommend. So this is it. That's the unit. That's the handpiece. As you can see, it's got all the controls and everything you need on the actual handpiece itself, so you don't actually need to have this part showing. You can hide it away if you want it to make it look a bit neater. Some cords, don't know what they're for, because I don't know what I'm doing. Thing where you put the handpiece, the bracket, your little screws. So you get everything you need in here. And then in the 12 volt battery charger, we have this little unit, as you can see. Now I've actually never used one of these, so I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to use them. I mean, you plug this in and then you connect it to your battery and you charge it. It doesn't look like rocket science. And then on here you've got to do lithium or just your AGM batteries, so you can do both batteries, and I'm assuming it just shows you how much the battery's charged. I don't know. Guys, I really don't know. I'm so sorry. This is probably one of the worst videos I've actually made. And massive thank you to Oricom for sending me all these goodies. I think they're going to go really, really well with my system. If you guys want to buy anything from Oricom, and that includes antennas, UHF radios, battery monitoring systems, or tire pressure kits, anything in between, you can use my discount code, which is TWB15, and that will get you 15% off your total order. I believe it's only for people in Australia, I'm not sure, but yep, that's a good little handy discount. I will also make a sneaky little bit of commission off your order at no cost to you, so if that's something you're interested, absolutely go for it. I'll have that discount code linked down below so you can find it if you need. But yeah, let's get on to installing all of these goodies. Extremely dirty car, but as you can see, this is where my little radio is sitting, and this is where the handpiece was just sitting. This has literally just been velcroed on to it because it was just a quick thing to add for my next trip, and I have not changed it since. And that bracket is also just velcroed onto it. But what I'm thinking is that I might be able to install it up in this little part here and still have the handpiece running out, but just so it's away and it's a bit neater. So I'm going to attempt to do that. If you guys need to install this, you need to get the antenna out of your I don't know what this is called. What is this piece called? This bit, the center part. You can tell I know exactly what I'm talking about. This is why I get my dad to do most of the electronic stuff. But yeah, you'll just have to find that and feed it out. First thing I'm gonna do is just get rid of this. I figured it out. So we've just attached the bracket. This is the power cord that it comes with, but because I already have one set up, I've literally just plugged it in. We're just winging this right now. Okay, she fits. thinking I might just try put it in like that. I have absolutely no idea what you were doing without saying that you have absolutely no idea what you were doing. And then that will shut, and then that can stick there. That's a really long cord for this. I'm gonna just turn this off and have a little think, and I'll be back. We're back. We've scrapped the glove box idea. We've just gone back to how I had it before, because look, if it's not broken, don't fix it. Antenna in. Beautiful, stunning. Look, it's not the neatest and it's not the best, but if it works, that's all that matters in my eyes. Let's see if it worked. Yes, that's what I want to see. I love how I'm acting like I know exactly what I'm doing, when really I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. This is why I get my dad to do anything. Am I getting electrocuted? Guess we'll find out. I can't get the battery terminals off. We've stumbled across the first problem, so we might have to call him back up for this one and get my dad to do it. So pretty much all you need to do is connect the ends of the battery monitoring system to the battery terminals, obviously positive to positive, negative to negative, and just tighten them, and that's pretty much it. Thank you! So, as you can see, that was super easy. I'm just weak and couldn't do it, and then all you do is take off that thing and just stick it down. That's it! Oricom Battery Sense app. Just open up that. So there we go, as you can see it's connected and it's telling me the voltage, cranking voltage, capacity, battery usage. Keeps an eye on your battery so you know what's going on in it. Pretty handy. Almost forgot to show you my updates. So this is what Patty looks like now. I absolutely hate it. She looks so tiny. Still love her, but she just looks really really tiny. So what I've done is I have taken off the rooftop tent, and I have also taken off the water tank and the awning. I've sold both of those. I've just put on this Greenology 100-watt solar panel, one of the flexible ones, so they're super thin, and that is giving me enough energy to run everything I need. So what I want to do is I actually want to update the rooftop tent to something a little bit lighter. Massive thank you to all you guys as well for telling me that my roof limit was overweight. I knew it was, but I've done a bit of research, and you guys have also mentioned to me that they're actually really cutting down on it now, and stickering cars that have got too much on their roof. So I'm looking into one of the iCamper Skycamp 3.0 minis, an annex to attach to it, because I feel like an annex is better for me as I'm mainly a solo traveler. That's my updates. That's what she looks like so far. Guys, if you like my videos, make sure you click the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you all in the next one. And also remember about the discount code, which is down below. Cheers, bye.